Welcome to Prince Maths Clinic, the e-learning solution at your pace and time. Today, we shall be looking at the set of questions we have on the board, and it has to do with some mathematics that look very incorrect. How does it look incorrect? We all know that 0 over 0 is seriously wrong, in the sense that 0 over 0 in maths simply means indeterminate, meaning that you don't know the exact value. So how come we want to say 0 over 0 equals 1? Now, if it is 0 over 1, we say it is infinite. That means it is 0 over 0, it is indeterminate. This question we want to ask is why 0 over 0 and why 2 plus 2? The reason why I'm doing this is that mathematics is not all about you're getting the right result, as it were, but your ability to apply the principles of mathematics to obtain a result. And we shall be using the same principles of mathematics that you know to arrive at 1. Having evaluated 0 over 0, in both cases, we arrive at 1 in this one and arrive at 2 in this one. Then we want to use the same mathematics principle to show that 2 plus 2 gives us 5. For the first one, 0 over 0 is the same thing. I want to pick two numbers. I want to pick 4 minus 4. I know that 4 minus 4 gives me 0. And I will also write 4 minus 4 here as 0, right? Good. Why am I picking this number? Because they are numbers that I can easily find their square root. So if I do 2 squared is the same as 4 minus 2 squared is the same as 4. 2 squared minus 2 squared. Now, 2 squared, this is difference of 2 squared, right? So I can say 2 plus 2 in a bracket and do 2 minus 2 in a bracket. Then I can repeat the same thing here. 2 plus 2 over 2 minus 2. Now, 2 minus 2 here cancels out 2 minus 2 here. So what do we have? 2 plus 2 gives us what? 4. 2 plus 2 gives us what? 4. And 4 cancels 4 gives us what? 1. That is the solution to the first one. Now, the second one, 0 over 0 again. Now, you can pick any number as long as you can find the square root of that number. I want to still use the same 4. Now, let's go. 4 minus 4 gives me 0. And 4 minus 4 gives me 0 again. Now, this can be written as 2 squared minus 2 squared all over 2 squared minus 2 squared. Now, 2 squared minus 2 squared can be expressed again as 2 plus 2 and 2 minus 2. Then in the denominator, this is what I want to do. I want to factor out this to be 2, open bracket. Then 2 squared divided by 2, I get what? Just 2, right? Then minus. Then 2 squared divided by 2, I get another 2. So this is 2 minus 2. So 2 minus 2 here, we cancel 2 minus 2 here. So I'm left with 2 plus 2, which is what? 4. Then divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 gives us what? 2, which is the second solution. 2 plus 2 that we know is 4. But we're asked to prove that 2 plus 2 is 5. So 2 plus 2 equals to 5. If 0 is equal to 0, right? Good. And what does 0 here means? 20 minus 20 will give me 0. Then this other 0, 25 minus 25 gives me what? 0. What are the two numbers I will multiply easily to get 20? I will use 4 times 5 minus 4 times 5. Then 25 is the same as 5 times 5 minus 5 times 5. Now, what are the two numbers I can factor out here? I can easily factor out 4. 4 is common in both places. So I have what? 5 minus 5. If you expand the bracket, you get 4 times 5 minus 4 times 5. Now, I'll factor out 5. Then I will have 5 minus 5. So the same thing, 5 times 5 minus 5 times 5. Now, 5 times. So I'm left with 4 here equal to 5. What two numbers will I have to get 4? Therefore, 2 plus 2 equal to 5. Now, Please, my advice is this: learn the principles in maths so that you can obtain the right result. Of course, the solutions are correct, but the results are wrong. Bye for now.